Brave Valkyrie versus Guilty Longinus. Don't pay attention for the dogs barking.
That's just our dog barking, like upstairs or maybe downstairs. That's what I said.
Yeah. Okay, now let's battle it. Okay, you can use the Brave now.
Guys, you know Brave is a little bit stronger than Sage.
Yeah, it could burst him a lot. 3, 2, 1, go.
Who will win? Comment down below who will win. Brave or Guilty. Let's try Savior now.
Don't pay attention for this.
Yeah, it's too thick. Wait.
Hey, you said it.
Wait,
Hey, you said that bad. Wait. Okay. Now.
By the way, guys, this is Awakening.
Yeah. Okay.
I took off the rubber with my teeth.
Yeah, which is clearly disgusting.
Oh my gosh. That was
Oh
a
my
crazy
gosh.
smash attack.
Also, there's no stickers.
Yeah. I had this crazy smash attack. Oh. Let me get a bin. Let me get...
Hey, yo, Valkyrie still spinned a little.
Wait.
Okay, now let's
Let me try.
time to use Lord Achilles with Blitz, and I use the Quattro driver.
Next.
It's not Quattro Dash because I forgot that the combo of it and Paradox and the other. I forgot.
Next,
sorry.
I'm gonna the next one from the Astro Spriggan. I will use Buster Excalibur.
No, that's not Astral. This is Lord Achilles. Okay.
Yeah, Lord Achilles. I'm gonna use Buster. I'm so sad that my nephew lost this.
Nephew is your uncle.
He lost this. The driver of Achilles. Yeah, this guy. I wish he didn't lose it because that's the ultimate combo. It even broke a Valkyrie. Okay, let's start.
Oh no, it's zooming in a little.
Where is he?
Zooming in right
Where's
now.
Achilles?
Okay, there. Wait, let me. Hey yo, this first is you're gonna battle.
Yeah.
Hey, you're gonna battle. Hey yo. Holy shit. Sugar. That's defense. Sorry for the zooming in because that sometimes happens.
Oh, Lord Achilles is, I think, is gonna lose.
Don't tell me change. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It changed mid-battle.
Yeah, look at this. Cool thing.
It's annoying.
Very satisfying, guys. Achilles time. Here's Achilles. Wait, what happened to the ship?
Gimme.
Oh, did it. You're like, give me some candy.
Okay. Now we're gonna use Union Achilles. I'm sorry that the dog bite it.
Yeah, our dog bit it.
Yeah. And we're gonna use Ignition Dash. And our dogs bite it because they're... Okay, there now. Launch it. Launch
3,
it now.
2, 1, let it rip! Imagine Achilles, Union Achilles bursting. Yo!
You predicted the dang future. Buster Excalibur with this stick. Oh, mommy, we're in front of a damn.
Cut it.
Okay, now let's continue this battle. Eh?
Yeah.
Ouch.
This one is a thick boy.
Yeah, Excalibur with the
3, 2,
Ignition
1,
Dash.
shoot! Excalibur's gonna burst, I think. How did Excalibur not burst?
Congratulations, you survived from the gulag.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, that's from Call of Duty Modern Warfare.
Oh my goodness. 1 click? That's crazy.
Ikaw, Ephraim, ano gusto mo?
Yung parehas pa. Wait, what?
Chicken.
Pare
Chicken Laureate.
I'm using Fafnir with these combos.
And also, I'm gonna use the combo too.
Yeah.
The best combo in the world. Just kidding.
I removed Spriggan's S gear.
Give me that with the armor.
I removed it. Wait. You can't equip that with the armor.
Let me try.
This is only for the... This kid doesn't really know about Beyblade.
Yeah, I don't know that much. Why can't I put it?
That's what I told you!
But how about Spriggan? Anyways, guys,
this what happened to Valkyrie because of...
Buster with the combo.
Get that out of list. Hey, that ain't useless. That's memorable nostalgia.
No, it's useless.
You're useless. After that argument,
We didn't get any subscribers.
don't say that. Okay, let's just battle it. Now we're gonna use
Why can't I
Fafnir. I'm gonna try to steal spin.
No, why can't I?
Why are you a rage quitter?
Shut up.
I don't see that with clear.
Excuse me?
That's bad.
Why? Where is the
Which
red
one do you prefer? Pork chow fan or beef chow fan?
beef?
Pork! Bakit wag? Ma. Ba't wag na?
Eh, dami yung ating.
Guys, I really need a toast.
Yo, chill.
Then.
Vlog, chill.
Hey, yo, then chill. I haven't actually tried this. Oh, guys, fault lost.
Nah. We're gonna do Shadow Valkyrie versus Vanish Fafnir.
Remember in the anime, one of the shadow people copied all of Volt's friends.
Yeah. Everyone knows that now.
Yeah, shadow version.
Yeah, because that's been years ago.
Look at this. 3, 2, 1. Look at this.
Wait. Don't launch it yet. It can still spin. Fafnir can still spin. 3, 2, 1. Oh, shoot. Jeez. Wait, let me just...
We lost stamina because you doubled it.
Okay, wait. Can you just use Brave?
I'll use this guy first.
Okay, keep going. Yeah, you're hitting the rubber.
Calling in reinforcements. Breath of attack.
Mommy! Mom, can you look at this, Mom? Vanish Fafnir can still spin. Look, Mom. Efren, can you use... Brave? Mommy, look, Mommy. Look. You just launch it like that and look. Mommy. Launch it again. Mommy, tingnan mo, Mako. Tingnan mo si... Okay, launch it. Look, Mommy, oh. Ma, oh. Oh! Mommy, oh. How?
I didn't see this. You just have
What is the... Excuse me? Mom, she just called me a loser.
What?
He called me a loser.
Hey, this is not Attack on Titan roleplay.
She still called me a loser.
You're she. Because you're a girl.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No. Okay, let's just launch that. Okay.
Sorry with the argument.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go shoot.
Every ding.
Is this a reverse? Is this reverse trolls?
Ding.
Fafnir's rolls is supposed to be a stamina, not an attack.
After 1 and 1 second. Let me try.
Ayo! What did you just do?
Oh, that.
What did you just...
Open
I'm
the
gonna tell you
driver.
about ignition dash.
Firstly.
Uy!
Oh my.
Ano ginagawa mo?
Put the. Oh,
Ikaw din, Jacob.
From like 15 feet.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, right. Put it to Excalibur. It's ignition dash. It's a dash driver.
And also let's fight it with El Dragon. Don't mind that
Why-
coughing.
Why is that thick?
Yeah. Don't mind that coughing too.
The thing you need to do is pull this. Okay, now let's launch it.
Definitely.
Let's
But that's not my Kuya's thing.
Give me that black one.
Why?
The black one. The black one.
Why?
A black one because it's a right spin.
Why don't you change yours?
Okay. Wait, now the driver's activate. Let's launch it. Use Brave Valkyrie.
Well, I'll use this guy.
No, use it. Or this one.
Open no gravity.
Okay.
3,
Wait.
2,
One.
1.
The first thing the driver do will go like that. Stamina. Then it will circle around. I did not yet mention the other part. And the driver won. But it still does not count. Okay, now I'm gonna do a test battle and show you what it does. So firstly,
First things first, this driver is so broken, bruh.
hey! Okay, now.
This driver is
Now this
broken.
one.
Look what I did.
No, it's not. Look. The first thing I'll do is go like that, then later on, it will circle up evasion focus. Wait, let me just... Oh, no, I told you not to launch it. I was doing a test spin. God dang it.
That hurt my knee.
Sorry.
You want me to do that?
No,
See?
it did not. Ouch!
That's how you did it.
Shit, bro. Oh no, sorry. Wait, don't launch it, okay? Please, don't launch it.
It's a test launch.
Yeah, it's a
Not
test.
test fight.
It's a test launch. Keep doing this. The first thing it will do is like...
It will circle. It will just turn green.
Well, no. Shh. Okay, guys, let's continue this later.
Guys.
Oh, there it goes. It's circling around.
Yeah. And we'll eat pizza first.
And now it's going reverse.
We'll take a break, okay?
Yeah, we'll take a shooting.